Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be in collaboration with Sphynx. And Sphynx is a really cool brand that sells portable razors. Now, it's a 3-in-1 razor, so it has everything that you need. It has the water, it has the soap, and it has the razor. How many of you have left the house when it's nice and sunny out and you realize you forgot a spot? Or even worse, like I do all the time, you forget your underarms and you're like, oh crap, what do I do now? Do I go to the store? Do I buy a regular razor? What do you do? It's super small, so it fits in your purse. It's perfect for on the go, for travel. It's also TSA approved, so you can even take it on a plane. Now, this razor is meant for quick touch-ups and on-the-go sorts of shaving. It's not meant to replace your at-home shaving system. It's not meant to, like, shave your whole body. It is available at several different stores. In the US, you can get it at Target and Ulta. It retails for $15. And then if you are actually international in Europe, you can get it at Sephora EU. So if you want to see a quick demo on how to use the razor, then just keep watching. Alright, so here's the packaging for the razor. You can get it in 4 different colors, including pink, blue, purple, and black. I believe Sphynx home website periodically sells limited edition versions as well. For the first step, you're going to use the refillable water spray bottle to moisten the area that you're going to shave. Then you're going to use 2 thumbs to twist the dial to the dual-purpose soap bar. It lathers on as a pre-shave soap and can be rubbed in later as a post-shave moisturizer. Lastly, use shave. The Sphynx razor does come with a bonus razor head, and you can also purchase a refill pack that comes with 4 additional razor heads and a new soap bar for $7.99.